Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add a token to your watch list on Kraken. Managing the cryptocurrencies you care about becomes much easier when you keep them in one place. In the Kraken's built-in watchlist feature, it'll allow you to track price movements, charts, and market data for any supported token. So the first thing to do is to launch open the Kraken application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in from the home page of Kraken, go ahead and scroll down to Watchlist section and then click on Manage Watchlist. On the next page, to add a new token to your watchlist, tap the plus button at the top right corner. Now you can search for a specific token in the search bar, or go ahead and select a token you want to add to your watchlist by simply tapping on the star icon right next to them. Soon after you do that, you can then tap on the Done button at the bottom of the screen to save the changes. And there you have successfully added tokens to your watchlist on Kraken. Go back to the home screen or the watchlist tab and verify that the token appears in the list. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.